him try to get a picture.
Dixie! You want in, you gotta open the door by yourself. Come on. You want in, open the door, Dixie.
She said, well, what's the matter with you? You're standing right there.
I know exactly, huh? Dixie! Dixie! You gotta open the door. You gotta open the door, Dixie. Come on, Dix. Come on, Dixie, open the door. Yeah, she's looking at me like, okay, you're standing right there.
That's exactly what she's thinking. She said, you're standing right there. Open the damn door.
Oh, back up. Maybe she won't see me. She'll open it.
Now you be quiet. You be quiet. I slammed it real hard so it's not releasing.
Oh no, she's working and I'm watching it work.
I know, but I'm watching the lever.
Yeah.
And it's not moving. No, Tito.
Tito.
The lever's still in the door facing.
Yeah, that's how she needs to get in though. If she unhooks that if she pushes it hard enough, it'll come open. Dixie!
It doesn't work. It's really hard to open. Or it's hard for me to open.
Dixie!
Usually I have to take my foot and give it a shove.
She come through it the other night and scared the living crap out of me. Dixie, come on!
Yeah.
Open the door, Dix! I see you. Want to come inside? You have to open the door. Come on, Dixie.
Oh, there's dinner rolls in there too if you want to warm some up for Boba. We don't have any butter. Now they've got a new
Sit.
She finally got it open.
Sit. Sit.
Well, I gave up on you, woman.
Hey, Dixie. Dixie, come here. Dixie, come here.
That I gave up on you.
Sit.
Oh, Boss came in.
We're going to smile. Smile, Dixie. Smile.
Boss in too?
Smile, Dixie. No, he came in with her.